All right, I want to welcome you to our second recipe with Stay Home, Eat Great. There's a problem right now. Whether you're self-quarantining, yes, whether you are in lockdown, some cities are, shelter in place. If you're a taco lover, and specifically those street tacos, those street taco vendors, they're incredible. They're great, they're amazing, but it's a real problem when you can't get them, okay? And that's what's happening right now. So I'm here to help you out. I got this covered, and this recipe is for you. Okay, first off, I want to cover the ingredients that I'm going to use here. Very simple. It's all about the meat. You can't use ground beef. You can't buy steak. You can't cube anything. You can't get the carne guisada stuff. You can't get the stew meat. None of those are going to work. They will not help you, okay? So you can't go to a regular, the standard grocery food chain. You got to go to a Mexican or a Hispanic carniceria, all right? So this is what you need. Just real quick, Bistek para taco, Bistek Cortadito. I have 4 pounds that I bought here. I'm feeding 5, as I always do. So we're gonna do about 2 pounds, okay? I'm gonna use salt, I'm gonna use pepper, I'm gonna use garlic, and secret ingredient to this whole thing is lemon. Oh, my lemon's right over here. This lemon right here, right as I'm cooking it, you're gonna bring the lemon in and squeeze it all over it. That is what gives it the essence. Beyond that, you're gonna put it on a corn tortilla. So we'll be making the corn tortillas in a second. I don't make them by hand. If you got time, you do it. But I'm going to use these packaged ones. I like using the white ones. When you're looking for them, make sure that they're all separated. Make sure they're not broken. Make sure they're not dry and stiff, okay? We're using cilantro as well. And we're using queso fresco. And we're going to use avocado. Excellent addition to your taco. So let's go and get started with the meat. All right, so here you have it from the Spanish carniceria, from the Spanish meat market. This is the Bistek para tacos. This is what you need. This is the flavor if you want to make your traditional street tacos. So as always, I'm going to put on a glove, and we're about to cook this up. So have a look. I'm using my grandmother's skillet, this cast iron skillet, decades old at least. Okay, so I'm going to start real quick. I put a little bit of oil in here, just a little bit, and we're going to put the meat right in here. As you're cooking it, you really want it to start getting those grill marks, okay? I use salt, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon of kosher salt in here. All right? You want it to have some good flavor. I'm going to put in some garlic powder. Not garlic salt, it's garlic powder. And then finally I'm going to put some black pepper. I like using the coarse black pepper. So now we just start babying this a little bit, you know. You want it to get color. You want it to get flavor. This is already coming out nice. So it'll take maybe anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes on a hot skillet. I have this one on full high right now. It'll release a little bit of water, and then it'll come back and it'll start rendering the fat that's in there. That's when it starts getting good. So just leave it on here and just baby it for a while. When it's halfway cooked, we're going to put our secret ingredient, the juice of 1 full lemon. Right now, all we have is salt, pepper, and our garlic powder. Cut. Alright, so we're about halfway done with our meat here. It's already starting to sizzle. Nice color coming. I don't know if that's coming through on the stream. We're sizzling really, really nice. Right now, we're going to add the secret ingredient. That's lemon. I'm going to put the whole lemon in there. Gotta get all of that goodness. That's one half, here's the other half. You want all the juice. Of course, as I said, you could use limes if you want. That's alright. I'll use limes if I have limes. I'll use lemons if I have lemons. But this is your secret ingredient. It's starting to smell really nice in here, guys. So if tacos are your thing, here you go. So while this meat is going, I'm gonna let it keep doing its thing in Grandma's skillet. And I have this, they call this a comal for cooking tortillas. This is a great big one my mom gave me. So I'm heating it up. Electric stove, of course. I'm on medium-high right now. Let this meat keep going here, because as I said, you gotta be ready when the meat's out. You need to have some tortillas. So you get your corn tortillas. I'll be doing 3, but you know what? Let's do 4. 4 is even better. If 3 is good, 4 is better, right? So let's get it going. I'm gonna bring it down to low, and here we go with this comal. It's already getting hot. I'm gonna put some oil on there. Just a little bit of oil on here. We're gonna put our tortillas on there. Tortillas, Tortillas. I'm gonna remove this from the heat real quick. Get one of these here, just because it's warm. I don't want to burn myself. Safety first, guys. You can't enjoy a taco if you got burnt hands, right? So, safety first. We'll put that over here. I'm gonna hit the top of these with some oil. Okay, here's our tortillas. They're going at it, and they're just cooking in there. As they start bubbling up, you know it's almost time to flip them. Okay. All right, and I'm putting the last of the meat on these 4 tacos here. Secret ingredient once again is this chile here. I used 4 Serrano peppers, some tomatoes, some onion, some garlic, a little bit of oil, water, cilantro, and I put some of the Knorr powdered chicken stock. I put it in a pot. I let it go for a while, let it really break down, and then I blend it. Pow. Okay. So here we go. Assembly here. So we're gonna put cilantro. Again, you could put as much or as little as you want, or if you don't like cilantro, I know some people like that, you don't have to, okay? So you want to show these people some love, okay? Because these are tough times. Tough times require a very delicious taco. Okay, so we're putting some white onion in here. Okay, then we're gonna put some avocado in here. Some avocado, and then queso fresco. Next, if you like some, put some. I like it, okay? Some chile. If you like a lot, put a lot. Depending on how hot it is, be very careful. So, and then right at the end, some lemon right in there. Right on top. Lemon on each one. All right, serve that. Serve that with a cold Coke, sparkling water, whatever you like, and your loved ones will be fed an excellent street taco. Well, there you have it. These are my quarantine street tacos, and I just encourage you to give this recipe a try. I know you'll love it. If you can do me a favor, just to let me know that you like the content I'm providing for you. If you can subscribe to my channel, that would help me out immensely. It's gonna be on your bottom right there is a bell. It says subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, just to let me know. And if you'd like to, leave me a comment. I'd love to have dialogue with you. Once again, this is Steve Lopez. Stay home, eat great. God bless you, and take care.